The Oregon 700 series lets you find more ways to connect with the great outdoors by offering lots of great navigation features. Before you can go hiking, geocaching, or adventuring with your Oregon, make sure it has acquired a satellite signal. Just head outside and swipe down on the touchscreen to view the status widget. Wait a few moments, and the GPS indicator bar will activate. You're ready to go. What do you want to do first? Well, you can start an outdoor activity. Swipe left or right on the home screen to select hike, mountain bike, hunt, fish, or whatever activity you'd like to do. Tap the icon to view the map. Then tap Start to begin the activity. Your Oregon will record sensor data like distance, heading, speed, and more. Swipe left or right from the map to view these information screens. During your hike or climb, you can easily mark a waypoint by pressing the user key. A screen will appear noting the coordinates and elevation data. From there, you can name the waypoint or make notes, then save. Then, if you ever want to navigate back to this point, just start on the home screen and touch the magnifying glass. Tap Waypoints, and you'll be able to browse the points you've saved in the past. If you see something interesting in the distance and want a closer look, press the power key to open the app drawer. Then select the Sight and Go app. A compass will appear. Just point your device in the direction of the landmark in order to lock in your heading. You can even design the perfect route for a scenic hike by choosing Route Planner from the app menu. Touch Create Route, and you can customize a route by selecting which points you want to pass along the way. It's perfect for weekend hiking trips when you want to make sure you pass by all the nearby landmarks along your route. That's all for now. To learn more about the Oregon 700 series, watch the other videos in this series.